Hello, my name is Jolyn Casson, and this is ChatGPT's applications in marketing. To begin with, let's answer the question, what is ChatGPT? Created by American artificial intelligence laboratory OpenAI, ChatGPT is a free-to-use simulated chatbot designed originally for customer service, though it has been found to have many other uses over the course of time. ChatGPT works by using natural language processing, sourcing data from textbooks, websites, articles, and various other sources written by people all over the internet. Then, using that data, it computes predictions to answer questions or generate responses to prompts submitted by users, all while learning over the course of the conversation. Some of the competitors of ChatGPT would include Jasper, Intercom, and the Bot Builder by Sprout Social. Jasper works similarly to ChatGPT. However, it is specialized more specifically in writing, having 50 different writing templates and a plagiarism checker. So while it is generally more clear than ChatGPT and can have some more smooth responses, it is also rather expensive. Intercom is more focused on handling simple customer support, also having a function to automatically move customers to human representatives if needed, and it is priced based on how many users there are and how many people are reached. However, as the chatbot is more focused specifically on support interactions, it can have a rather limited array of uses. Sprout Social's Bot Builder was designed to help automate repetitive tasks such as gathering information, resolving customer issues, and creating unique marketing experiences. However, similar to Jasper, the monthly pricing can get rather expensive. ChatGPT has many different uses in marketing: boosting customer engagement, providing customer support, providing market data analysis, and promoting products. Some of the ways that ChatGPT can provide market analysis data would be if you allow customers to interact with it, it can learn from them and their responses. Let's say that a large number of customers write to the chatbot complaining about the same issue. This means this is something that the group will know to work on in the future when handling customers and in their products in the future. Or ChatGPT can learn about which types of users are interested in certain products, such as Lego's Christmas newsletter campaign, which used marketing chatbots to help parents decide on a perfect Lego set for their children. The bot asked potential customers about their children's age and interest, and then showed a selection of products as well as providing links for the customers. This is one of the examples of it being used in promoting products. Another would be simply using ChatGPT to help you write a social media post, which I can show you right now. This is ChatGPT. It is very simple to use. You simply need to log on. You can do that by making an account using Google. It's free to use, as I mentioned previously. You just need to send a message. Let's say, for example, write me a social media post advertising grills to men ages 55 to 65. And then ChatGPT will write a response. Now, let's say you don't want it to actually say the name of the customer's age range in the text. ChatGPT can change it for you if you simply write another response. Don't mention the age range in writing. And ChatGPT will change it. Let's say we want it specifically to be a sale for President's Day. Change the message to be a President's Day sale specifically. And the bot knows how to do that. Not saying Happy President's Day. Let's say you don't particularly care for this advertisement, though. You can regenerate a response and it'll give you something new. If you think this is more along the lines of what you're looking for, ChatGPT will give you the option to help it learn. You say if this was better, worse, or the same. Let's say this was worse, and regenerate the response again. And now it's a new response. ChatGPT will also remember things that you said previously. What age range did I specify earlier? And it remembers men ages 55 to 65. This is an example of ChatGPT and one of the potential ways you could use it in marketing to create a social media post. Now, what are some of the pros and cons of using ChatGPT? ChatGPT has a wide variety of uses you could put it into. Again, customer service as a chatbot for simple questions that could then be transferred over if needed. Is active 24/7. It has a very distinct ease of use, and it's wonderful for brainstorming and creating first drafts of things that your employees can then work off of. Now, however, ChatGPT does have a number of cons. It can require heavy editing, and it may provide false information. This is due to the fact that ChatGPT's information is sourced from 2021 and before, so it may have a couple of things wrong that you're going to need to look out for. Again, one of the reasons that editing may be required. It is also often at capacity due to its popularity. My final thoughts about using ChatGPT in marketing. I found ChatGPT to be very simple to use, and despite its issues, it can be very useful as more of a tool in the field of marketing, I feel. While it can have connection issues, ChatGPT worked wonderfully to create some sample social media posts for the product, grills in this case, and I feel as though advertisers and social media managers could make good use of it to produce templates or get potential ideas that they can work off of. Though, of course, edits are going to be needed to the original prompt in some cases. I feel as though at its current state, ChatGPT is more of a tool than it is a replacement, but it can be very useful. For example, you can cut down on labor costs by having a simple chatbot that can answer commonly asked questions or questions that aren't too complicated, and then move on to allow your customer service representatives to focus on the more difficult tasks, which cuts back on labor costs and time and that sort of thing. So although it's not going to be replacing any human employees in its current stage, I feel as though the bot's potential functions in gathering information, streamlining customer interactions, creating social media posts, and that sort of prompt with the information that you give it could make it a very powerful advantage to those who know how to utilize it. Thank you very much.